Hey guys, congratulations to making it back to this website. If you have made it back here, that means you have validated your email address, so congratulations. Today I'm going to show you how to get a free $300 hotel savings cash card, dining vouchers, and a 3 to 5 night vacation, simply sharing our done for you posts on social media. So I'm going to bypass those delicious drinks right there, and I'm going to go here. Okay, this is my face. My name is Ross Crawford. I'm the owner and operator of moveoutsocleanhouse.com, and right now you're in this video. I asked you to take a look at if you want to get more information. Okay, so we're going to scroll down to here, and this is the part that we're going to be pretty much focused on. There's two parts. There's the bottom part here, and then there's this part. Okay, so as you can see, there's a whole bunch of tabs. They're full of colors. Each tab represents a different function and a different engagement that you have to do in order to acquire points. Okay, as you can see, they got 1 point, 2 points, 5 points, 10 points, and 20 points, and everything represents a different social media platform. Okay, you have Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, WhatsApp, even Messenger, email address is an email. I'm sorry. The email will we actually will create an email for you that's already made for you, and you can just send it out. So it'll populate from your email address. Once you hit it, once you click it, it'll default to whatever email company that you're with, and they'll send an instant message out by email. Okay, and then as I scroll down, you can see they have 5 points here, 10 points, 20 points, and every time you go to a higher point, it's just more of an engagement you have to do. Okay, so you have example. Let's go to 5 here. This great point. It's an Instagram post, right? Comment, like, and share our latest posts on Instagram. So you got to do a little bit more work there. Right here, number 5, like, comment, and share this YouTube video. So it's just a little bit more stuff. It's simple stuff that you guys been doing every day. If you're on social media, you're probably on one of these platforms. I'm on one of these all of these platforms. I'm not really a social media guy. I'm not on there talking to everybody on. I usually put out stuff that's stimulating information on there, and I'm in and out. But I'm looking more forward to doing more work on social media because it's a great platform to connect with people, right? So we're gonna scroll down there. And one of the important things I want to talk about is this section here. Okay, now all these points, as you accumulate these points, you come to a certain points. Once you make a certain amount of points, you win a reward. Okay, so as you can see, I'm on a leaderboard here. You can see my name is Ross. I'm on a leaderboard, and I acquired 10 points. So when I made that 10 points, it lit up. You see how it lit up here? So every time you make a certain once you make to a certain part to where you accumulate enough points, it'll light up. Each one of these tabs will light up, and for you to stay focused and for you to know what you did, as you can see right here on Facebook, this one disappeared. Okay, it disappeared. Now I'm going to show an example on how this works. I'm just going to use this one example since I already opened it up. As you can see, everything populated. You can see the advertisement here. You didn't have to create nothing. You have to draw anything and put it up on Facebook. You didn't have to put pictures up there. Everything is all done for you. Even the description, it shows you how to get $300 savings cards and vouchers here. And then all the person have to do is get excited about it and say, wow, I want to do this, and click on it. There's going to be a link somewhere on this post. They're going to click on the link, and then once they click on the link and join this program, you're going to actually get credit for it. Okay, you're going to actually get credit for it. Anytime somebody you share this information, any of this stuff, and somebody engages and signs up with this program, you're going to get points for that sign up. So it's going to be very easy for you to accumulate points to get these rewards. All these rewards here is going to be very quick for you. I mean, won't be surprised if you did everything in minutes. Okay, so you get all this stuff in minutes. Now, what I wanted to talk to you about, and the reason why I made this video, is because I wanted to talk about this part. Now, all these green tabs are premium rewards tabs. Okay, now the premium rewards tabs require you to make some type of purchase. And don't get scared, guys, the purchases are not that high. Okay, you have to make a purchase anywhere between $100 and $250 purchase. Now, comparing to the rewards you get, the premium rewards, these purchases are nothing. Okay, once you remember, you got all these other stuff. You got accumulated 10 points to get a cash dining voucher. You accumulated 20 points to get a $100 hotel cash savings card, a $200 hotel cash savings card at 30 points. And as you get to these premium points, you already had all this stuff already. You have like $400 or $500 worth of stuff. And then when you come here, you just got to make a $100 purchase for another $300 hotel cash saving card, then the 3-night vacation, then the 5-night vacation. Now, with that said, you also guys got to acquire the points as well to achieve those. So you still got to get the points to get those premium rewards. But with that said, I'm just going to scroll down here to the section where it says, how can I get the premium rewards without making a purchase on the movehouse2cleanhouse.com website? And I say to you, simple. Just simply inspire your sign-up referrals to do so instead. Yeah, so I'm going to read this paragraph so you can clearly understand what I'm talking about. After receiving your required points for your premium rewards, stay in touch with your referral sign-up participants through your social media platforms, or guys, any type of communications. You can do it by phone. You can stay in touch with them by instant messenger. You know, you could do anything to stay in contact with them. And as long as they are in the system, remember this part when I said you went into this and they signed up on the Facebook and I told you get points, you're gonna see those participants in the leaderboard section. You can see me here. I got 12. I was up here twice testing, right? But you'll see them up here on the leaderboard, okay? And you'll know if they made the required points, right? Let's say 40 points, and you know they actually they made it to where they can get the rewards here, right? So you want to stay in touch with them. It could be a girlfriend, it could be somebody you know, right? It could be somebody you know really well, and you can call them. They may need a moving help service, right? They may need that, right? So you might call them up or instant message them and say, hey girl, I see you in, if it's your girlfriend, you say, hey girl, I see you that you're on the leaderboard there. I see you acquired the 40 points. Don't you need a moving service next month? And she'd be like, yeah, I can use you for, and all she had to do is click this button, and actually once she clicked this button, she will be defaulted automatically to my website. My website is, all my stuff are in the website are automated, right? That's the beautiful thing about my website. You don't have to, there's no guessing work. Everything is flat rated. You go in there, you see what you want, you see the prices, you pay for it. And the beautiful thing about that too is that even before she make a purchase, or she decides she wants to make a purchase, she can use any of these discounts that she acquired, okay? All the way up to 20%. And I would honor whatever that is. So if it's 100 points that she needs to do, she has to make a purchase of $100, I'm sorry. She can actually use the 20% off and get it for $80. I would still honor it even though she paid $80 because the original cost was $100. So she got a $300 cash card. Mind you, again, she got all this other stuff. She got like $600 worth of stuff, right? For a $100 purchase. I mean, that is a win-win-win for everybody. I mean, the value versus what you're paying for is astronomical, okay? It's ridiculous. I mean, I would just buy something just to get all of this, okay? I would buy something just to get the dining voucher, okay? So this is a no-brainer, all right? So I'm just going to finish reading that paragraph here. I'm going to do it over again. I want it to flow, right? So after receiving your required points for your premium rewards, stay in touch with your referral sign-up participants through your social media platforms and inspire them to make a purchase if they can truly use our services. Once the purchase is made, we will immediately send them their premium rewards and also to you. So once that person make the purchase, the person that's in the pipeline that you see here on the leaderboard that's under you, also just really quick, this link right here, you're going to have a unique link here too. So you can also email this, talk to somebody, give them the email link. This link. You can email them. You can send it through Messenger, and once they click through this link, you automatically get points, and also that person will automatically become under you in this platform. So once they do all that, you will they acquire the points needed for the premium rewards. Not only they will get those rewards, but you will too. Okay, you will get them. You both should, and vice versa. Somebody brought you in, and you know somebody brought you in, and you know that person can use the rewards. Can use the services. You guys you won't share it. You guys will individually get those rewards. So it's good to communicate with everybody. That's the whole beautiful thing about social media. You can do that, and I'm going to honor that because I want this to be exciting, right? So I included you can get that reward as well, just because I just want to make this fun. Okay, so the bottom part is about the 5 to 20%, which I just went over. So you just kind of look at that really quick, and that's it, guys. Anytime anybody need more information and don't really understand, kind of go back on the video again, kind of rewind it again, and just kind of look through it. If I missed something that I should have said, it's going to be definitely in here. I took a lot of time to create these paragraphs so you can understand it. Also, when you want to know about the instant points and incentives chart, you can go here too as well and get information from there as well. Okay, so that guys, I just want to explain something to you. I just wanted to add this on, right? These dining vouchers are not for your mom and pop restaurants. Okay, these dining vouchers you use for top-notch name brand companies, very high brand companies such as McDonald's, you got Subway, you got Chick-fil-A, you got Applebee's, Fridays, and all those popular name brands that you see on commercials and stuff. These are the places that you go to use these vouchers. Okay, the same thing that goes with the hotel stays. Okay, the hotel cash savings cards. You can stay at hotels and use these savings card, $100 savings card, $200 savings card. You can use them all and use these hotel savings cards and popular popular hotel chains, all right, and use these cards. Not only you can use them to stay at hotels, but you can use them also for rental cars, like places like Enterprise. Okay, places like Enterprise, and also additional attractions. Also, there's a lot, like thousands of attractions. You could just use these cards. These are nice cards. Okay, these are not cheesy cards. They are very high value cards, and the same thing goes for the vacation incentives as well. You're talking about places like Orlando, Florida, okay, Las Vegas. These are the places that we love going to. Everybody talk about all the time. We wish we went there. Well, here you go. Here is your 3-night vacation, your 5-night vacation. The 5-night vacations are more exotic vacations outside of the United States. All right, so these are what we're talking about here. Okay, so thank you guys for listening to what I had to say. Take advantage of this stuff, because I don't know when how long I can give these incentives away, and I jumped on it when I was able to. Okay, so you should jump on it and just take advantage. Just try these out. If you don't want to make a purchase, just try these out first. Check these out, right? Just these you don't have to make any purchases for, anything to all the way up to I believe 30 points, and you can get those in minutes. Okay, even these you can get in minutes if people are participating in this rewards program. Okay, thank you guys very much. It's been fun. Have a great day.